Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a white border to photos in your Samsung Galaxy A16. All you have to need, open the gallery app and open the photo in which photo you want to add a white background. Now tap on this pencil icon, select this widget option, select lasso, tap on next and select here white color for background, and using this border slider you can increase the border size just like so. Once you're happy, tap on done, tap on save, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully added a white background to this photo. Thanks for watching.